my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to have something new in our spoken English course. In today's class, we are going to have the subject telephonic conversation. So how we converse through telephone. Generally, telephonic conversation is of two types, formal and informal. In formal conversation, we talk with the teachers, with the head of an institution. It may be educational institution or any kind of institution where we can call and try to get some information. That is called formal information, formal telephonic conversation. And another one is informal. Informal means what? You can dial any number to your family member. Maybe you are talking, maybe you are conversing with your mother, with your father, or with any of your relatives, with your friends. These are called, this conversation is called informal telephonic conversation. So when we go for a telephonic conversation, we need to focus on a few points. Since you are a student, since you are studying in class 8 or 9 or 10, or maybe you are studying in class 6 or 7. So when you dial your number, when you dial any person's number, you first of all have to remember these three things. So what are the things we have to remember? Please come. So when you are dialing, all we will say what? Hello. And then if it is morning time, we have to say good morning. If it is afternoon time, we have to say good afternoon. Or if it is evening time, we have to say good evening. Okay? Suppose you are dialing to the school teacher. Suppose you are a student of class 9 and you are dialing your phone call to your school teacher. Then you have to first of all what you will say? Hello sir, good morning if it is morning time. And if it is afternoon time, you have to say good afternoon sir. Or if it is evening time, you have to say good evening. Then what you will say? Suppose your phone number is not saved to the sir's mobile. The sir knows you, but sir does not know that who exactly you are because your number is not showing there. So that time you have to say your name. Sir, I am Ranbir. Sir, I am Pranav. I am Anil. I read in class 6. Sir, I am Ankita from class 9 is speaking to you. So you have to say your own address and what class you are studying or your place. Suppose you are dialing the number to an unknown person. So if you are dialing the unknown number, that person does not know you. So you have to give your introduction that my name is Ankita Kashyap, my name is Pranav Borua, and you are calling from, you are living in which place? Suppose if you are calling from a place, suppose I am calling from Bukakhat, I am calling from Golaghat, I am calling from Adharsotra, I am calling from Sorupothar. You can say the name of your place. And if you are a student of class 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10, and you are dialing to a teacher, so you have to say, sir, I am student of class 9, my name is Pranav Borua, I have something to say to you, something to talk to you. Next then comes what? Number 3rd comes how are you? We have to ask about the teacher. Sir, are you okay? Are you fine? So how are you? All these things you have to, that is, it's a kind of etiquette. It's a histachar, তুমি তোমার সারজনক বা বাইদেউগৰাকীক যালে তুমি ফোন কৰিছা তেখেতৰ ভাল নে বেয়া খুধাটো আমাৰ হিষ্টাচাৰত পৰে গতিকে আমি সেই হিষ্টাচাৰটো বজাই ৰাখি ফোনটো কৰিলে ভাল যে তোমাৰ ভাল নে বেয়া সাধাৰণতে আমি সেইটো খুধু so in this telephonic conversation we need to focus on those points also that we have to ask him or her about his health or well-being of his family. Next comes the topic. For which purpose you are calling? You are dialing the number. Definitely everyone dials to another person. প্ৰত্যেকজন ব্যক্তিলে ফোন কৰে ছাত্ৰই শিক্ষকলৈ কৰে শিক্ষকে ছাত্ৰলৈ কৰে বা প্ৰত্যেক এটা উদ্দেশ্যতে ফোন কৰে বিনা উদ্দেশ্যত কোনো ফোন কৰি নাথাকে so you are dialing the number of your school teacher definitely for a topic or content of conversation. So it may be educational, it may be some for information, it may be some health issue, anything you can talk, you can converse with your teacher, with your school ASM or other persons. It may be formal or informal, but you have to focus for why you are calling, why you are dialing the number. And after finishing the conversation, then what you will say? You have to give vote of thanks. As you are dialing the number, you have to say, thank you very much, I have learned a lot from you. Suppose you are dialing to a school teacher and you have got confusion regarding mathematics, or you have got confusion regarding some English grammar. You ask sir why this is happening, and sir has given you the clause that this is happening because of that one, because of this one. So after getting the point that you want to ask, তুমি যে যেটো প্ৰশ্নৰ উত্তৰ খুদিছিলা বিচাৰিছিলা সেই উত্তৰটো পোৱাৰ পিছত তুমি সেই ছাৰজনক বা সেই বাইদেউগৰাকীক কি লাগিব, তুমি থেংক ইউ দিব লাগিব। সেই থেংক ইউ দি পেলাই যেতিয়া আমাৰ সামৰণি পৰে ফোন কলটো কাটি পেলাই, থেংক ইউ ছাৰ, থেংক ইউ ভেৰি মাছ, আই হেভ লাৰ্ণ এ লট, বা আই ন' হোৱাট এভাৰ আই হেভ কুৱেৰিজ, মাই কনফিউজন ইজ ক্লিয়াৰ নাও, এনেকৈ তুমি কৈ পেলাই ছাৰৰ পৰা বিদায় ল'ব লাগিব। So that is, these are the general tips of conversation we can do in telephonic conversation. So now we have a conversation between a teacher and a student. আমি এতিয়া আমাৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী আৰু এজন ছাত্ৰী আৰু এজন শিক্ষকৰ মাজৰে কথোপকথন, a conversation between a student and a teacher. Let's go listen to the conversation between telephonic conversation between a teacher and a student. Let's go. Thank you. Hello, hello Swarnalim.
Hello, hello, hello.
Can you hear me, Swarnalim?
Hearing, sir, hearing, sir.
Swarnalim, you should say, yes sir, I can hear you. No need to say hearing, okay? So today onwards, if anybody asks you, can you hear me? What you will say, Swarnalim?
Yes, sir, I can hear you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. How are you, Swarnalim?
Fine, fine, sir. You, sir?
Swarnalim, you should say, I am fine, thank you. How about you, sir?
Okay, sir, I'm fine. Thank you. How about you, sir?
I am fine too, Swarnalim. How are your parents, Swarnalim?
They are fine too, sir.
Very good, Swarnalim. As our schools are closed due to COVID-19 pandemic, what is about your studies, Swarnalim?
Sir, not good.
Swarnalim, you can say, sir, my study is not going well. You say?
Yes, sir, my study is not going well.
Why, Swarnalim? Is there any problem? Since you are a student of class 9, you must be studious.
Yes, sir, I know it. But, sir...
You no need to worry. You can tell me frankly about your problem.
Actually, sir, I don't have a smartphone. We have just a small geophone only at home. I can't do the online classes. Especially, I find maths and science as hard subjects, sir. So I can't read all the subjects parallelly. I don't understand the chapters of maths when I try to do any sum.
Oh, Swarnalim, I understand your problem. Actually, no subject is tough. It is just a feeling from your part only. Have you talked to your maths and science teacher over phone about your problems? Again, you don't have a smartphone. You don't be upset for that. When school reopens, we shall give you all the contents of all subjects. Every Friday, we drop our assignment paper at the drop box. Are you getting those assignments?
Yes, sir, I am getting. I ask my father to collect the assignment and he collects and gives it to me. I am doing the assignments, sir. But, sir, I could not send the answers by WhatsApp as I don't have a smartphone. Sir, I don't have the phone number of maths, sir. If you have, please give me the number.
Okay, Swarnalim, I will give you maths sir nong. Wait, I am searching. Yes. Yes, I have got it, yes. Write it down. 6000600987254. Again, I am repeating 600, that is 000 987254. Okay, and you can do one thing. You can give your assignment answer copy to the nearby shop of our school. We have informed him about this. You write your name, class, and subject and tell the shopkeeper to give to our school teacher.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I will do so. Sir, I will talk to our maths sir. Sir, thank you so much as you have called me. And, sir, if I get any confusion, I will call you.
Sure, why not? We will definitely help you. Again, you don't be upset for not having an Android phone. Let the school be reopened. We will have regular classes. Just stay safe and stay at home.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye bye. You also stay safe, sir.
Okay, bye bye. Thank you. So, my dear student, you have already listened to the conversation between a teacher and a student, and the name of the student was Swarnalim. So, I hope you have listened carefully to the conversation between the teacher and the student, and hope you will also converse like that. Maybe your topic of conversation may be different. It may be some other course content, it may be some other purpose, or it may be formal or informal topic, but you will converse definitely with your teacher or to any kind of topic, with any kind of topic to any person over telephone. And you have got the tips. Don't forget the tips that I have shown you earlier, and hope you all will practice, because practice makes a man perfect. And you all believe, you should believe, you must believe that we have to speak English. Let's speak English. Try, and try. Thank you very much.